How to update your employment info on Capital One. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you upgrade your employment info on Capital One. Now, updating your employment income information with Capital One through the Capital One mobile app or online banking, you could simply follow these steps. First thing first, you want to log in to your Capital One. Go to the profile icon from the bottom menu and select personal information to edit employment and details. As you've done that, you can sign in at Capital One website and go to the name or an icon and just go to profile. So basically what you want to do is actually log in and go to the profile from the bottom of the screen, right? So when you do this, you just want to go to account settings after profile, navigate to employment and income information, select to make your changes, and you could simply go ahead and save the changes, and that's how you will be able to update your employment information on Capital One. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.